In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Google Analytics and Google Search Console. This is an invaluable tool for those who want to understand both the performance and the power of their website in a seamless manner. By integrating these two powerful platforms, you'll gain insights into how your site is being found online and how visitors engage with it. So let's dive right into the process. First, you need to open up your web browser and go to the Google homepage. Once you've arrived there, look towards the top right corner of the page and you'll see the sign in button. Click on it. At this point, you'll be prompted to choose your Google account and enter your password. Make sure you're using the account associated with your Google Analytics and Google Search Console. After entering your credentials, click on Next. Once you're logged in, head over again to the top right hand corner of your screen and click on the Google Apps icon. You'll see a grid of dots which, when clicked, opens a variety of Google services. Navigate to and select Google Analytics from this menu. With Google Analytics open, the next destination is the admin settings. This is where most of the behind the scenes work happens in analytics, allowing you to set up integrations and modify existing ones. Once in the admin section, find and click on product links. Here you'll notice a variety of linking options, but we're interested in Search Console links, so go ahead and click on that. Now it's time to create the link. You should see the option to link. Clicking on this will lead you to a page where you will start setting up the connection between Analytics and your Search Console account. Click on Choose Accounts. From the list, select your Search Console account that corresponds to your Analytics account. Once you've made your choice, click Confirm. At this stage, you'll be asked to select your preferred web stream. Select the web stream that matches the website you're managing and tracking. Each stream is a distinct flow of data, depending on your specified sources, so ensure that you choose correctly. Finally, all that's left is to thoroughly review the settings and make sure everything looks right. Check the details, verifying that your chosen accounts and web streams are correctly linked. Once satisfied, click on Submit, and there you have it. The powerful insight of Google Search Console is now seamlessly integrated with Google Analytics, allowing you to monitor and analyze your web data with greater efficiency and depth. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Linking these platforms is relatively straightforward but immensely powerful for your data tracking efforts. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more insightful tutorials.